In today's video, we're going to be recreating the Dream Boat Crush. Oh wait, let me make it a little easier for myself. I'm going to go back. Okay, go back, LCTS. You didn't even hit me. Oh wait, make me survival, by the way. Okay, are you, okay, now LCTS is going to be Sapnap. No, wait, why wasn't boat? Okay. Okay, I'm coming back. This is gonna be hard. Also, I put water on the ground because... Wait, let me heal up a little bit. Okay, now go. He hits me? Oh no, that was slow. Bro, why does it keep going off the boat? Now stay on the boat. I'm coming back. Let me check something because it keeps coming off and I'm to stay. Stay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Whatever. This is gonna get hard. Yeah, I can't. It's just way too hard. Wait, I'll be back. I need to get 6 wood. Okay, I'm coming back up. Okay, wait, let me heal for a couple seconds. I'll drink this mushrooms. Okay, I'm ready. Well, it's just, like, it's really hard. I don't know if I can even do it normally. I'll just do it normally this time and see what happens. Okay, yes, CTS. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. So he hits me. Then I gotta push. Like that. I'm gonna do that a couple more times just to get in the hang of it and then try to do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you didn't even hit me. I just jumped. Okay, I'm coming back. Okay, I'm gonna get my stuff. Ah! Okay, I think I've gotten maybe the hang of it. And I'm gonna go get some wood. Right now. I'm gonna get lots of wood. I'm gonna get this much wood. How much is that? Like 18? Yeah, 18. Okay. Ready? Go. Wait, let me just jump here. Try something. It's... What? Keep it on this? Hopefully it keeps on it. It just keeps coming to... Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I did that, guys. Let's go. I did not actually. That was just a cheat. Okay. No, that was close. That was really close. I'm gonna put all these useless boats up in my inventory. Let me mine this tree. Please go. You're like the closest tree. No, I just mined it. 2 saplings. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. I still am not able to do it. Okay, I'm coming up. I'm gonna get my wood. The amount of wood I need. I can do it. Come on. Okay, wait a second. I'm not ready yet. I'll tell you once I see things. But I'm low on batteries. Gonna put that in. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No, you keep getting close. It's the thing. Let me heal a couple of seconds. Thank God. Okay, I'm coming back up. Ready, go. Hello? Sapnap. Oh shoot, Sapnap's gonna kill me. Okay, I literally have like nothing. No HP left. I'm gonna heal for a couple seconds and then I'm coming back up, okay? I'll be back. Let me get a bit of... Okay, yeah, I'm coming, wait. I need to get a bit of... Here, try to get like... I'm gonna keep going down till I heal. I'm trying to look for coal a little bit. Okay, I'm coming back up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Da-dee-da-dee-da. Oh shit, Sapnap. Sap, stop. Hit me, bro. Sapnap. You're such a bad legion. Bro, okay, now I'm gonna hit Sapnap back. If he doesn't hit me, so. I'm not ready yet. Wait. Let me heal up a tiny bit. Sapnap, be slow. No, I can't. It's literally like... I'll try to get coal. Wait a second. I see tears. Wait. Okay. I just fell into a cave that has coal. Let me get a couple coal here. Okay, I'm back. I'm coming back up. When it smelts, okay, I'm smelting the food. You can go. I'm smelting the food. Let me just heal up real quick. La-di-da-di-da. I just can't. It's like, I don't know why. It's so hard. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna just have my food. La-di-da-di. It's like, I don't know why I can't do this. Let's just settle for what can I do? I need like okay. Oh shoot. No. Okay, you know what? This is like the last attempt because this is getting annoying. I'm gonna eat all the food I have. Oh wait, where's the other one? Okay, I'm coming back up. What the heck? Ready, go. Sapnap hits. Oh, let's go. Sapnap. I've gotten away, Sapnap. You're not coming for me. What the heck is Sapnap doing? Yep. I'm gonna go. That'll be it for today's video. Subscribe.